Hi, this is attorney Michael Pariente of the Pariente Law Firm, PC, John G. Watkins of counsel. I'm a criminal defense lawyer here in Las Vegas. I've been practicing law for 18 years in the area of criminal law, and today I'm talking to you from my conference room at the Howard Hughes Center about the difference between a revoked license and a suspended license. Typically, this is what happens. You get a letter from the DMV and they tell you that they're going to revoke your license because you were arrested for a DUI. They allege that you either had alcohol in your system or you had some sort of controlled substance in your system. So they tell you they're going to revoke your license for a period of 90 days. Now, you can do one of two things. If you just choose to let that revocation period start, which we don't recommend, then you don't get a DMV hearing. Now, let's say that you decide you don't want to do anything about it, you just want to let the revocation period run, then during that 90 days that they revoke you, the first 45 days you can't drive, the second 45 days you can drive, but only with a restricted license that you have to get from the DMV. And the restricted license means that you can only drive to and from work or to and from school during that second 45 days of the 90-day period. Now, after that, you have to reapply and take the test at the DMV to get your license privileges reinstated, and you have to get what's called an SR22. Now, if you don't do that and you drive on a revoked license, then it's 30 days in jail. It's a misdemeanor, but that's 30 days in jail. It's mandatory. The judge does not have the power to not give you those 30 days if you are convicted. That was set by the legislature, so that's called the mandatory minimum of 30 days in jail. Driving on a suspended license is different. Now, driving on a suspended license, what suspension means is that your license is still valid, but you can't use it during the period of suspension. After the period of suspension, then you can go back to using the license. The more common situation is where your license is revoked. Now, if you're in a situation where you've been charged with DUI and you're facing some sort of license revocation, or you're facing some sort of license revocation independent of a DUI or a license suspension, give us a call. We're more than happy to meet with you in person, or if you're calling from out of state, let's talk over the phone about how we can help you.